Hey, I'm Candida Louis. I'm from Hubli, South India, and I'm an international motorcyclist. I come from the banking and finance industry, and social media content creation and photography just happened to be my profession now, and I did not have any official training to be a photographer and a content creator, which is why I signed up for the Living Lens photography course. Now I'm using like a phone for all my photographs and videos. I did not know anything about a camera, how to use it. All these years I've just been clicking away all on auto, and now I feel like I really need to learn more about how a camera operates, and I want to take brilliant pictures like them. And from the photography course, in just 2.5 days, I've learned so much. Before the course, I would take all the photographs on auto and never really understood and just hoped that they would be good photos. But after the course, I'm so much more confident on how to use a camera, and I have so much more control, and I know they'll be really great pictures. I got to learn a lot about all the different features on a camera, how to use them, what they all stand for. But now after this course, I've looked at things very differently, and now I even know how to edit photos. I was really excited to be a part of this, and 2.5 days was so action packed, and not just the photography, but the food was great, the accommodation was lovely. It was the first time that I was staying in a small shepherd cottage. The beds are really comfortable and cozy, so I definitely recommend this course to you all, and you have to come and be a part of this. And for everybody watching, I think this is a great course for beginners and people that want to learn photography and want to make this a profession. So yeah, cheers.